Contour surveying is an essential process in the field of land development and construction. It involves the measurement and mapping of the contours of the land, which helps in determining the slope, elevation, and shape of the terrain. In the bustling area of Laxmi Nagar, where real estate is in high demand, contour surveyors play a crucial role in providing accurate land surveys. These surveys are necessary for various purposes such as designing drainage systems, constructing roads, planning building layouts, and ensuring proper land use. The presence of reputable contour surveyors in Laxmi Nagar ensures that development projects are carried out efficiently and in accordance with regulatory requirements. One such reputable company that specializes in contour surveying and design services is SCON Design. SCON Design has established itself as a leading provider of surveying and design solutions in Laxmi Nagar. With a team of experienced and qualified professionals, they offer comprehensive contour surveying services to clients in the area. Their expertise lies in accurately mapping the contours of the land, using advanced technology and equipment. This allows them to provide precise data that is crucial for various construction and development projects. SCON Design understands the importance of delivering quality results within tight deadlines. They ensure that their contour surveyors in Laxmi Nagar are equipped with the necessary tools and knowledge to efficiently complete projects on time. Their team is well-versed in using cutting-edge surveying techniques and software, which enables them to provide accurate and detailed contour maps. These maps are crucial for designers, architects, and engineers to plan and execute their projects effectively. Furthermore, SCON Design goes beyond just providing contour surveying services. They also offer design solutions that complement their surveying expertise. In the sphere of land development and construction, contour surveying is a crucial procedure. It entails measuring and charting the land's contours, which aid in figuring out the terrain's slope, elevation, and shape. Contour surveyors are essential to producing precise land surveys in the busy Laxmi Nagar neighborhood, where real estate is in great demand. These surveys are essential for a number of tasks, including developing roadways, planning building layouts, establishing drainage systems, and guaranteeing correct land use.